to be showing you guys my quick lip gloss tutorial, how you can achieve a smaller lips and how you can achieve this bigger lip bold. Even though I know I don't have a bold lips, but you know, there's a trick to that. Anyways, if you're not subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button. Help me get to my milestone this month. I'm working towards getting to 300 subs this month. I cannot do that without your help. Kindly click that subscribe button and hit the bell beside it. Join this juicy family. We do juicy video here. Everything about us is juicy. You don't want to miss it, okay? Hop into this tutorial. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? And I'll see you in my next video. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick lip gloss tutorial. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like, just click that thumbs up, don't comment and go. Click this thumbs up, it's very important. Okay, click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my family if you have not. You know, we are now the Juicy family. I've gotten a name. I've been thinking of a name to call this. So we got a name now, the Juicy family. So whenever I call you guys, I'll call my Juicy queens. Everybody's juicy. We have juicy content here. So anyways, thank you so much for clicking and subscribe if you're not. Hope to see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye, Juicy queens.